Before finding a niche that you want to target for a design, the first thing that you need to understand is Amazon platform, including their seller rank. Now let's say we take a broad niche like fishing and we want to see how these shirts are selling in this Amazon platform. We can estimate this by knowing the Amazon product rank. To see the product rank on Amazon, you need to install an extension whose name is DS Amazon Quick View. To install this extension in Google Chrome, simply click on this option icon and from More Tools, select Extensions. And click on Get More Extensions and search for DS Amazon Quick View. And I hit on Enter. And I just simply click on Add to Chrome and install this Chrome and add this in our Google Chrome browser. Alright. Our DS Amazon Quick View are installed and this extension is now enabled. Now if I reload this now, here you can see the product rank of this particular t-shirts, right? And for this first t-shirt, product rank is around 500,000 and for the second one, product rank is 84,000 and so on. If you see any t-shirt rank in between 50 to 100,000, then that is selling really well in Amazon. But all these t-shirts are in between 200 to 500,000 and they are signed probably once a week. They are pretty evergreen, so they are good. They have a chance to sell all year long. So product rank 1 million is selling 1 to 2 t-shirts per month on March. And product rank 250,000 is selling 3 to 6 t-shirts per month. And if you see any t-shirt product rank in 50,000, then this particular t-shirt is making 2 to 4 sales per day. And under 50,000 product rank is selling 10 plus shirts per day. But they are very rare, but if you get in this range, you will make a lot of money. Note that product rank in between 100 to 250,000 range can be swapped easily, because if a t-shirt gets one sale, it can go into this range for a day or two on Amazon of a one-off sale. All of these numbers are estimate because there are so many factors are involved. But this is the best that I could do to give you a realistic estimate of how often they are going to sell. So I hope this helps you better understand about the Amazon t-shirt seller rank. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you to the next one.